Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tiguan. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, compass, low tire pressure warning. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.